This is a session of financial account setup. So we will know in setup what is there for financial accounts. So I open financial accounts menu. Under this menu, you can see a setup is there. We'll go in the setup. Now, first form is a lock voucher, edit and delete. What is this? I will open this. So by using this form, we can validate the vouchers will be not able to edit or delete. Suppose here you can see we are having from date to date from 1 for 19 to 31 3 2020 means this financial year which I log in. For this financial year, suppose I want to log all the bill booking vouchers. So just we have to tick this checkbox and put the message and save. So whenever any user will go to bill booking voucher for and open this period vouchers and try to edit or delete, it will not allow him to do. So this is the use of this voucher. This is only the validation. Next is online data setup. What is online data setup? Online data setup means we are importing HMS masters into accounts in case of voucher posting, like we are making some vendors in HMS, and thereafter we booking the purchases in HMS software, and thereafter we are doing JV in our accounts, which we call purchase journal. So in that case, we have to import all the vendors in accounts. So by using this form, we can import. What is the benefit of import? While we will import, it will create a ledger with same vendor name in accounts and will be a link between both. First, here you can see purchase JV booking. We are having purchase JV booking, two types of booking. One is billable, non-billable. Second one is department-wise mapping. So if I put here billable, non-billable, then this is a link form expense head mapping. So in expense head mapping, it will consider we have in expense head mapping we have two types of mapping. One is billable, non-billable, and one is department-wise. So we can post the purchase journal vouchers based on this. If I select billable and non-billable, so data will get posted based on billable and non-billable mapped ledger. If we select department wise mapping, so data will post as department wise mapping, which I will show you how to map. So purchase JV booking posting based on what we are deciding here in this data setup. Next one is round of head. So in our accounts, every data posting having some rounding off. Suppose we are posting night audit, which is related to our revenue collections and dues of HMS. So at that time, if any rounding off difference is there, so we are posting that rounding off difference in this map ledger. Same way for purchases also, if having any difference rounding off, so we will post here. It will come directly. Just we have to here map rounding off head. Next one is profit and loss account. This will be used the time of carry forward the closing balance to next year. So as you know, in profit and loss, whatever the closing balance is there, we are not carry forwarding income heads. Income heads closing balance we cannot forward to next year as a income heads ledger. So for that purpose, we are taking the sum of income heads ledger closing balance and posting in this ledger. Next, this is you can see one grid. In grid, we are having four types of HMS mapping. First is organization. So suppose in our HMS we are having many organization master. We are having in organization master. We are having many hits. Suppose uh, Bajaj Allianz, Heritage, Media Assist, many organizations are there. So at the time of posting night audit, we have to map here. Map means we have to create all the organizations in accounts. So by using this form, we can create all the heads at a time in accounts. So how to use? Here you can see one accounts ledger search is there. Here just we have to select group ledger under which all the organization will create as a ledger. Same way supplier. Supplier means vendor master in HMS. So all the vendors also need to import in the accounts. So we have to mention here the ledger name under which ledger all the suppliers or vendors will be created. Same way for doctors also. Same way for TDS organization. So just here we have to map and have to click on import. If any uh, organizations are there which is not yet imported in accounts, so it will show you one message like you can see 43 organization found without subheads. Are you sure want to create subheads? Means 43 organizations are created in our HMS but not imported in accounts. So we have to click on OK. After that it will create. Same way for supplier also we can create. If any records is there then it will import, otherwise no records found message will come. So this is the use of online data setup. Next, income head mapping. Income head mapping means location master. In location master we are mapping ledgers with our HMS revenue heads. You can see here we are having one grid, income head mapping. For location master you already know in previous videos. This is income and mapping. This is based on location wise. So suppose as I told in division master, we can create multiple locations and multiple sub companies also based on the location. So suppose we are having multiple location. So for multiple location, if I want to post night audit in separate ledgers, so we can map accordingly. We will select the location from search. So here income and mapping will come. Here we have to map the ledger. What is this ledger? Here all the group service types will come which we are defining in the master. All the service types will come, and pharmacy details also will come. Pharmacy heads, all things you can see here. Room types will come, service types will come, pharmacy heads will come. This one here, pharmacy heads also will come. Pharmacy heads will come based on the tax category. Whatever tax category we mapped in the VAT category master, it will come here. One will come as a taxable, which you can see as a pharmacy sale head. Second one will come as a CGST, SGST. You can see here same pharmacy, same percentage 18% as a CGST. Next will come as a SGST. If you want to differentiate CGST, SGST, you can do yourself. If you don't want, then you can map same head for all the ledgers. So it will post in a single ledger. So here we can map accordingly whatever they want as per client requirement. Suppose they want to post room rent in a different ledger, some other ledger, so they can map here for all the room rent head different ledger. If they want to make a same ledger, then they can map accordingly. For example, I will show you here already mapped some ledgers. See, if they want to segregate service type wise or room type wise or consultation wise or pharmacy, they can map. So this is a ledger where we will post the total amount of that head, and this is discount ledger where discount amount will post. If they want to make same ledger for both, so it will be same. It's different also. This is full based on the mapping location wise. This is the mapping. Next is expense head mapping. Expense head mapping. What is expense head mapping? Expense head mapping means here we can map the ledgers which is belongs to purchase journal single, purchase return journal, uh, salary posting, doctor accounting voucher. We can map. So first of all, I will show you expense head mapping. So as you seen in a online data setup, we are having one option purchase JV based on bill book, sorry, billable and non-billable and department wise. So you can see here first three grids. Here this is first one is for billable. So if I select billable non-billable, so first two heads will consider. This is based on the in every purchase we are selecting one item and that item having one item type, and in item type master we are having one checkbox which will define as this item type is billable or not billable, non-billable. So if that item is billable, so at the time of JV posting it will consider for that medicine this mapping. If the same item belongs to the non-billable, so that will consider this mapping. Here you get all the heads are from item types. This is all item type. Whatever item type is belongs to non-billable is coming here, and here it will come from the tax category. One is the purchase ledger. These are the purchase ledger. Purchase ledger means in this taxable value will post whatever we will map with purchase GST 12% ledger of on that purchase taxable value which is belongs to 12% head will post in this mapped ledger. If in that purchase having multiple type of VAT categories, so will post accordingly, amount will split based on this mapping. Same way you can see here input GST GST. CGST also is a separate head. If you want to post CGST amount and SGST amounts and IGST amount, you want to differentiate, you can differentiate here already there. If you put different ledger, automatically software will decide and will post in the map ledger. If you want to post in same ledger, you map all the heads with same ledger. Simple. So this is the taxable total amount, and beside one is the discount ledger. So if any discount is there, so discount amount will post in that ledger. Next one is non-GST head mapping. If any item is belongs to non-billable, so that item type is mapped here. That item type, uh, JV will automatically consider that items belongs to which item type and that item type is mapped with which ledger. So here you can see ledgers are mapped, ledger and discount ledger. So accordingly it will post. Next one is pharmacy sub department. Some clients are asking we want to post department wise purchase journal. In that case, in online data setup, we have to select purchase JV posting department wise, and here you can see all the departments are coming. This one, all the departments of so HMS, and here we are mapping the purchase ledger. So based on the department, automatically the JV will post as a we will consider that mapped ledger for that department and we'll post the JV. Next one is opening balance. By using this form, we can enter the opening balance of any ledger for any sub company. Just we have to select here the ledger name, what is the debit amount for that ledger, either debit or credit, and what is the opening date. So basically opening date belongs to first date of that financial year. So we have to select that one and have to save it. That's it. Automatically opening balance will come in trial balance for that particular ledger. Next one is refresh opening balance. What is refresh opening balance? Refresh opening balance means here we can carry forward the last year closing balance to the next year opening balance. How to do? We have to select here the company. Then automatically, if this company belongs to any previous company, in below data will come. So like this. This is Shivam Testing is a company which is belongs to this company. Status is Y means active. This is the financial year date. So whenever I will click on this update button, this financial year, whatever the closing balance will carry forward to this company. So this is all about the our financial accounts module setup forms.